Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update troubleshooter not working. So to resolve this problem, click on start, type here cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now copy and paste this command line I will give in description. Press enter. One by one, second command line. Similarly, third command line and fourth. Now close it and restart. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve Windows 11 update troubleshooter not working. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.